Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the super keyword. We can use super keyword in the following areas. Super keyword, which is used to interact with superclass methods. Super keyword is used to interact with the superclass variables. Super keyword is used to interact with the superclass constructors. Now, we'll see one by one with an example. One is a super keyword is used to interact with the superclass methods. Now we'll see this with an example program. Here, this is an example program I am taken. Here first I have to explain without super keyword. Without super keyword. Here, class, parent class I am taking, class P. Here I am implementing the methods, properties method. I print the message 1 crore property using system.out.println. In class P, I implement one more method, marry method I am implementing. I'll print Sunny. Using system.out.println, I'll print the message Sunny. Fine. Class C, child class C, extend from the parent class. Here, the same method I'm implementing, the properties, means method overriding I am applying. Here in the child class, I'm implementing in this properties 5 crore rupees. Using system.out.println, I'll print that. In the child class, I'm implementing the same marry method. I'll print the message Samantha. Using system.out.println, I'll print this one. Here, the overriding I'm implementing on the child classes for properties method and the marry method. I'm applying overriding concept. Now this is the main class. Class name is test. Public static void main. I'm creating the object with the parent class reference. I'm creating child class object. I can access the method with the object name. Obj dot, the method name is properties. Here, 1 crore properties is there. 1 crore property in the parent class. Later child is used and his property is 5 crore rupees. Obj dot marry. The marry method is there in the parent class. He is in Sunny. But child has to love with Samantha. So in the marry method, the child class method overriding is there. He love with Samantha. So we get the result is Samantha we are getting. Now we'll see what the answer you are getting. If I save this program, I had to compile Java C test.java. There is no compilation errors. I run this program. They are getting 5 crore rupees and Samantha we are getting. Right? Now, this, the parent is, in this, I'm using the marry method. The child is very intelligent. He can compromise his parent. Then the child says that, you don't worry, whatever you are saying, I have to marry. So then the child class in marry method, we use the super class keyword in marry method. Now, I had to save this program. Here, the super keyword I am using in methods, right? Now, if I save this program, I had to compile for obj.properties, we are getting 5 crore rupees. 5 crore rupees. Here, we will see obj.marry, what answer you are getting. You see that? You see that? Why? Because the super keyword I am not using in the properties. I am using the super keyword in marry method. Now, I had to compile and I run this program. We are getting 5 crore property and he married with Sunny and Samantha. Then his father won't accept. Definitely his father is punished in the next classes. Java won't support these type of things. Okay. In the next session, I have to explain. The parent is punished with the child. I'll tell you in the next upcoming session. That is, one is the super keyword is used to interact with superclass method. Next, the super keyword which is used to interact with superclass variables. Have a look once this one. This also I have to explain with an example program. With an example program. Now, this is the example program I am taking. The second example I am taken. Okay. Now, in this example, parent class P. Here, I assign the X value is 111, integer data type. Class C, extend properties from parent class. Here in child class, I assign the value 222. In child class, I am using sum method. Here, using system.out.println, without using super keyword, we'll see the result. X plus X. Then what the answer you are getting? What the answer you are getting? See, what the answer you are getting? X plus X, 222 plus 222, right? This is the main class. Main class name is test. Public static void main. I am creating the object child class reference. I am creating child class object. I can access the method obj.sum. Then what answer you are getting? Here system.out.println x value is 222 plus x value is 222. We are getting the answer is 444. We are getting. Have a look once without using the super keyword. I compile and I run this program. We are getting the 444. Fine. Fine. Now, here in the same program, I am using in child class method super dot x I am using. Super keyword is used in the variables now. Here, super dot x is nothing but in the parent class, what we are assigning the x value. That is 111 plus x. The child class, what x value is there? 222. So if I call in the main method, that is in the main class test, I'm creating the object obj.sum is nothing but that is super dot x is 111 plus x value in the child class, the x value is 222. The sum is nothing but it is printing 333. See, have a look once. It is compiled. They're getting the output is 333. That is the super keyword is used in the methods. That's I have to explain. Super keyword to interact with the superclass methods. Super keyword to interact with superclass variables. And one more thing, super keyword to interact with the superclass constructors. Now we'll see this with an example program. Okay. Now, this is the example program I am taking. Super keyword is used in the constructors. Have a look once. In this example, class P, parent class P, the constructor, whatever the class name, same method name is nothing but the constructor. Here, I'll print the message parent. Child class is C, extend properties from parent class. Here the constructor I am using C. In this constructor, I am using super keyword. Super keyword is used in the constructor. Here I am implementing system.out.println child I am printing. This is the main class. Main class. Now I am creating the object for the child class. How we can create the object for the child class? Class name is C, object name is OBC, equal to new class name. Whenever the object is created, automatically the constructor is executed. I am using super keyword in the constructor. Have a look once what answer you are getting. See, Java C test.java, Java test. We are getting parent and the child. Automatically, the parent class constructor is also executed. Now, for our understanding purpose, we'll see one more thing without using the super keyword. I can use triple dot I am using. Here on the child class constructor, triple dot I am using. Triple dot. I'll save this program. I had to compile and I'll run this program. We're getting the same first parent and then the child. Automatically, the constructor is automatically the compiler is creating the super keyword in the constructors, right? That's about the super class, super keyword. The super keyword which is used to interact with super class methods. Super keyword is used to interact with superclass variable. Super keyword is used to interact with superclass constructors. That's about the constructor concept I have to explain with an example programs. Okay, thank you.